Now, I mentioned earlier that the conversion process of going to grayscale is probably not one of the best you can use because you do lose all of the information that was in the RGB channels by just applying a generic grayscale flattening to everything. Well, I'm going to show you a technique now that I like to use which gives you so much more control over the finished grayscale product. Now, it's up to you if you want to save this file. I'm simply going to close it and don't save so I can come back to my file browser. And we're going to open the file that's below fingernails. If I just scroll down there, we can see this image. It's just called model.jpg. Go ahead and open that. And we can see again, this is a very high resolution image. We've only got it viewed at 33%. Okay, so we've got a bit to play with. Now, what I'm going to do here is show you a comparison between the standard grayscale conversion process and the one that I like to use. So in order to do that, we're going to make a standard grayscale version of this model file. And what I'll do quickly is just hit the V key again to get rid of our paintbrush tool. And then I'm going to go to the image menu, go down to mode and choose grayscale. Once again, yes, I'm going to lose the color information. But at this point, what we're going to do is save a version of this out so we can compare the two side by side. Now to do that, come across to the channels palette on the right-hand side in your layers and paths cluster. And we can see there is only one channel here, which is the gray channel. If you come to the pop-up menu on the side, you'll see there is a duplicate channel option. I want you to select that. And then instead of copying the channel into the same document, let's come here and choose New. Now that will just create a brand new file. So go ahead and click OK. That contains an exact version of the one we just worked in. If we put them side by side, obviously we can see that. Now if we come back to the original image, click on the model.jpg to show it again. Let's go to the edit menu and undo the grayscale filter. So now we're back with the RGB file. So on the right hand side is your standard grayscale conversion. Let's have a look at how we would do this one.